This is how you put samples in key in FL Studio. Right now we have a kick in E and it sounds like this. Let's say I have a song in C. How can I change this up? Well, you double click here on your sample and then right here you can see pitch. And here in the hint panel, when I pitch this down, you can see how many cents I pitch up or down. Right now I'm going to set. So how do you know what one you need? Dive with me here in the piano roll. Right now we are in E, but to go here to C, you have to count the semitones. So E is where you start, then you go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that times hundreds. So the pitch, and then you watch in the hint panel, plus 800. And right now we are in C. Or you can also reset this. And you can pitch down from E down in the octave, because now we went up in the octave. E and then 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So 400 down. You go here. Now it's 400 down. And it's also in key in C. And maybe you like this kick better. So this is how you pitch samples up and down. So put them in key of your project. Now, let's say you also have minor and major ones. You can look here in this scale. Let's say you have a C major and you have a minor scale. Then you can also put it in A minor. So those are the relative ones, which you can also compare here on this scale and put it together here with the pitch with the scales.